Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In the previous video, we have successfully added the post. So the post saving of the post is successfully completed. So let's try to complete the remaining two things. That is nothing but updating the post and also the deleting of the post. We'll try to do both of these things in this video. But because updating post and deleting the post is one and the same only, we'll try to complete it. And here let's have this Ajax library. So let's complete this one. So first what we need to do, we have the get request and now we need to add a put request. Okay, here I am having the put request. So this one is put, I will change it to put, and this one you will be having is updated post so that we can have clearly, we can able to understand it. And this time we need to give a put request. So content type application JSON, XHR on load, and the XHR status. These all the things are one and the same only. Unable to do the put request. If you want, you can keep it. And here we need to add updated post. That's it. So this push request is also completed. Let's go to the app.js and index.html page, and here you will be having the id is equal to put if you want. And let's go to this one here, and here this one will be put button, right? Put button. Let's take this one, put. Oh sorry, where is this one gone? Put button, and this one is put. Now we got this post button is completed and also get button is completed. Okay, here you will be having put button dot add event listener of click, and here you will be having this one. So I think most probably this is the only thing. I think we can copy and paste it, and let's update this one. This one is put button and click and Ajax library post. So this time you will be having let id is equal to first id. So I'll try to delete the first id. So plus id, and okay, done. So this one we can remove it. Let updated post is equal to updated post. We need to add it. Updated post is equal to id we will be having, and the title we will be having something like otherwise we cannot, there is no need for us to send the id. So id title will be having updated title. I can add the updated title, and the description is description, updated description, right? So this one is also completed. So updated post we need to send to this one put request, and here you'll be having this one updated post. That's it. Most probably this is the same only. Let's try to see the output. We have completed this one. Let's click on this and get the post details. We got the post details. Oh, we didn't got the post details. Let's try to go to the here, and let's restart the server. Okay, so I am restarting the server. So if it restarts the server, so it is taking some time. I don't know why it is taking some time. Let's try to refresh this page. By then get post failed, it's still failed. Get post, it's pending, failed, still failed. Get post, still failed. Get post, still failed. What is happening here? Yeah, notebook started, right? Server listening at the port. Get post. So this time we got the data. Now what I want to do, I have added the post. Fine, everything is working fine. Now I am clicking on the updated post. See, the updated title and updated description has been successfully updated, and here we are trying to make the post data, and this one is nothing but the request method is put request, and the application JSON, everything is one and the same. And here we are sending this one on preview, post updated successfully. So we are able to update the data. Now what I want to do, the last one is the deleting of the post. So if you try to delete the post, everything is completed. So here Ajax library, let's go, and we can copy this one all and we can paste it here at the bottom, and I will be having this dot delete. Here you don't have this all updated post and all the things. URL you will be having, and this time you will be having the delete request, content type, and there is no need for us the content type and all the things, and JSON text and all the things we can do, and send is also not required. That's it. So we are sending a delete request and all the things. Yeah, I'm able to do the delete request. Let's go to the index.html, and here I will be using the id is equal to delete. Let's get the delete button. So here I will be having the delete button. So I can use the delete button, and here I can use it delete. So we got the delete, we got the post, we got the put. Let's copy this one all and paste it at the bottom. We got the put, and here we will be using the delete button. Add even click, and you'll be having only the one. So I'll be using this one all. There is no need for us the updated post. And here I will be using this delete request. Sorry. So delete updated post is not required, and the URL will be having the ID. So everything is done. I hope this delete request also it work. Delete everything is there. Let's go and see. I am trying to refresh this page. I got the get post. Okay, so we are trying to add the post. It is adding, update the post. It is already updated, not a problem. And now I am trying to delete the post. If I delete the post, it should be deleted. See, it's all because of the server. So what the code we have written. So post/1, we are trying to send the delete request, and everything is working fine without any problem. So this is how we are working. So get post and everything is working fine. And we have completed this one using the XHR request. So this all is completed through the XHR request. In the next video, what we will try to do is we will try to achieve the same thing using the modern and native things like Fetch API, and also with the Axios also we'll try to see it. Hope you understood about this one, the updating of the post and also deleting of the post. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.